Welcome to Paul Clark Ford. My name is Paula and I'm here to talk to you about the 2019 Ford Ranger. We're really excited. It's finally here. It's the first time that it's come back since 2011. Can't wait to tell you all about it and show you all the new features that it has. Let's start off with the front. We've got the Ranger etched in the grill. We've got the Ford logo. It's got a new skid plate to protect it for off-roading capabilities, LED headlights and LED fog lights. Then you come around to the wheels. We've got 18-inch chrome wheels wrapped in a Dynapro tire. We've got the emblem here on the side, some nice chrome running boards. Let's come around to the back. We've got a capless fuel system that even has a drain. If you overfill it, it drains down, and you have to use a funnel if you're going to use a red tank. It has a gravel protecting shield in the paint down below under the back. This one is particularly a Lariat crew cab, and it's got the off-road package as well as the chrome package on it. LED taillights with the Ranger etched in it, and it also has blind spot radar, which means if you have driving down the road and somebody's in your blind spot, it's going to warn you on both sides. Got Ranger etched in the back here. It has a backup camera, a locking tailgate. It's got tie downs. The mats have Ranger in them. This is a 5-foot box. It also comes with an option for a 6-foot box. If you get the Super Cab and not the Super Crew like this one. It's got reverse sensing systems. This one doesn't have the trailer tow package, but if you get the trailer tow package, the hitch is actually right here under the bumper. It has a higher hitch than most trucks, so that has a better ground clearance of 8.9 inches. So you can go up and down a bunch of rocks and all kinds of stuff and not worry about hitting the hitch. So let's take a look on the inside. So this is the back seat. We've got quite a bit of space for a mid-size pickup. You've got your drink holders. You can open the back window. There's storage underneath right here. So you've got pockets to put stuff. That's your jack, and it sits 3 people, but it's a little cramped with 3 people. You can keep it with 2 because they have the drivetrain up here in the floor where the middle person would have their feet. And the reason it's up there, unlike the F-150 that has the flat bottom, is one of the main things they focused on when they made the truck was to get all the components up in the vehicle so that when you're off-roading or you're on a lot of terrain, it's not going to damage any of the main components of the vehicle because they're all safely protected up in the steel box frame. So you're probably wondering how big it is. I'm about 5'10", and as you can see, being 5'10", there's plenty of space for me to sit comfortably. Have plenty of knee room, especially because this pocket is kind of contoured in. And then lastly, on the back row, you've got the USB ports and the full 110 volt outlets. You can plug pretty much anything you want back here. Have all kinds of fun. And this one has the technology package as well. So now let's go take a look at the front. So up in the front seat, you've got leather seats because it's a Lariat, leather wrapped steering wheel. They moved the power windows up here, which is kind of different from most vehicles in the F-150, which I kind of like because it's easily accessible. You've got remote start on this one particularly. You've got 4-wheel drive and terrain management. Also, you got your USB ports up here. Has a Bang & Olufsen stereo system, which has really great sound quality. And behind this rearview mirror, you've actually got front sensing system to also protect the driver, to help them be safer and have more awareness of what's going on around the vehicle. They cut out the armrest so you can put your big gulp of Mountain Dew to get you through the day back here in the cup holder. And it also has this type of key fob and this nice Ranger emblem on here. And then the Lariat comes with a dual climate control, which even an XLT F-150 can sometimes not even come with that. So you get a lot of value for, you can get the highest trim in a Ranger and get a lot of value that you may not get in some of the middle ranges of the F-150, as well as heated seats. So that's the main components of the new Ranger that we have here at Paul Clark Ford, the new Lariat Ranger Super Crew 4-wheel drive off-road package. So if you have any questions about the new product, we'd love to answer them for you, and appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.